I wet the jungle, dunga, bunga, dunga, one. Blaze I'm a lot the place, you know. And you're the best comedy.
Yeah, mosquito, yeah, man. Mosquito, where the man? Boy, you know, see text are coming. Boy, easy, Rose. Yeah. Boy, yo, where you text a girl in your friend, man? Tablis? You the fan dog? How old are you? Eh? Jolly? You know your chaps, you know? You know your chaps? I wish girl like this. You see me? A girl named Rose dog. You see me?
Mr. Blaze.
Where the pot?
White chap.
A pretty brown into you know. Eh? You know no Rose. Rose. Yeah dog, brown girl.
Rose.
Rose. Let me see. Yeah dog.
Let me see.
I'm pretty down. Rose! That me did say last time.
Brother, no!
Mr. Blaze! What Mr. Blaze! Oh, you should have pulled up fire like the gas stove.
Brother, you know no self-esteem.
No, she there in the dreams.
You have the cash fire like
Mr.
gas
Blaze,
stove.
but I you see girl and panic grandma go on hot over. But brother, she a dream and you so me have to just do with her and do it.
One boy you do still, but you look like you know no sense.
Step off your girl. Step off your girl.
You're
cuss for me, Rudy.
phone girl.
You're cuss for me, girl.
Me go to girl.
You're cuss for me, girl.
You
ever see your girl? Hold on, girl. Never see Rose in that person. No. Me get a picture with her.
Your picture
Picture
you have to walk up to girl and say,
Baby, come here.
What?
Brother,
You're mad friend, brother. Me a phone.
Brother, you're
Go to her and say, babe, small even on your matches.
Me a gami ya.
We buy phone, girl. What?
Free girl. Annie.
Anisha.
You're waste man, brother.
At least me a side man. Thanks for watching, guys. And know say y'all enough to make sure to drop a like, and share, and subscribe, and click the bell. Wanna make sure you click the bell, or else you not get nothing. I wanna share. Come here, realize, wanna subscribe and now share the video and leave a comment. Why comment section? No. Wanna comment and subscribe and share. I'm out.
Take a one trip to the shop. Never know seminar no rice. So me got a road for a rice. We just get a link with the rice. And we just trust the rice. Run a one boat now, come me too hungry.